How to update Facebook Messenger on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can update your Facebook Messenger app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to open up your App Store. After you're on your App Store, you can simply search for Messenger app and hit enter, and it should give you the Messenger. Open it up, and after you open it up, if you see an update option available here, all you have to do is tap on the update button to update the app. So you can tap on update and it should begin. So your update depends on your internet speed, so just wait until the update ends to be able to start using your app again. Now while this updates, you can head down below and hit the subscribe button for app hacks, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And yeah, that's basically all for today's video as well, guys. Thanks for watching. That's how you update your Facebook Messenger app. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.